Hey everyone, it's Greg King and welcome to my video on how to get unlimited free ads on Google and keep them ranked there for years. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 9 steps of how you can get your video ranked #1 on Google and YouTube in a matter of minutes. And in a moment, I'll share with you examples of how you can actually make those videos stay up there for years. Now, I was all set to do this video and everything was great until I had a message from my friend Paul Murphy. And he said, I'll just read it here, Google has been saying for years that videos will replace websites in the searches. And yesterday, for the first time, Paul, noticed something incredible. There were literally only 3 websites listings on the front page. The other 7 were videos. So this goes to show you that websites are great. I have a website that has a certain presence. However, it's not what people are actually searching anymore. They're actually searching on Google for something of their needs, whether it be a service or a product. And it's very simple that Google, and then #2 is YouTube. And people are not going to the traditional ways of the website or Facebook. Facebook, to me, is a nice place to actually meet family. However, and friends, but it's not a place where you want to do business. When I go to YouTube, I'm going to say, hi John, hi Al, how are you doing? I'm not going to say, where are my electrical needs when the winter comes in Minnesota? Anyways, what he also kiboshed me in is that he has a 5-step program, and I'm going to put the link below and show you the link that he has, that he can actually get you the 1, 2, and 3 rank in 5 steps versus my 9 steps. So I feel a little defeated. Anyways, I want to get back to you and show you what wholly just lose my train of thought. Thanks, Paul. Still can't believe. I mean, I was thinking 9 steps was good, but he's doing it in 5. Anyways, as I promised, I'm going to show you some examples. One of these first example I'm going to show you is what video I actually did today and how it looks on Google and YouTube. And I've got some examples. So this is example #1. It was organically posted. It hit the first page on YouTube, as you can see right here. So that hit the first page, and that took 16 minutes. Plus, it hit the first page of Google, and that also took 16 minutes. But the great thing is it's also on the carousel, which probably gets the most views, and that also is in first place. All 3 of them just took minutes, all ranked for free, and all will stay with a little TLC, will stay ranked there for a couple of years. Now, as a business owner selling a product or a service, can you see how powerful this is? If you can actually get on the first page and the first listing on Google and YouTube. Now, the second example is I did a couple days ago, and I took 3 screenshots. Now, the first screenshot is YouTube, and that took just 1 minute. Then the second screenshot is Google, and that's the carousel, which is a very powerful tool because ranked #1 on the carousel is pretty extraordinary. And I did that in 2 minutes. And I really believe that's just because of a delta delay going from YouTube to Google. Now, the third screenshot, it'll show 1 day ago, and that's my fault because I had 2 YouTube slides on this example, so I had to get 1 slide out, and that was a day later, and that's why it's showing 1 day later versus 2 or 3 minutes. Now, the third example is how I ranked on YouTube in just 4 minutes, and that was how to advertise your business on YouTube. The 5th is another example, and this took 7 minutes. Now, these were all with my 9 step process, and once again I'm going to put the link in the video with Paul, and you can actually go see what he's done, and he's done it the 1, 2, 3 steps, and he's done it in the 1, 2, 3 rankings, and he's done it in 5 steps. Now, example 5, this is hard to beat, and that is how to advertise your business on YouTube for free. And as you can see with the red arrow, it's coming in at 1 minute on the first page. Organic YouTube. Plus, you can see once one gets a little more authority in one's area, whether it be a service, a trade, whether it's electrical in Germany, whether you're selling real estate in Phoenix, or if you're selling electrical in Northern Canada. It's not about the product, it's the process. So it's a wide open field, because a lot of people will say, well, gee, it's because it's so exciting, everyone's going to take advantage of it. Well, they can and they should, but the reality is most people will wait and post something and wait 3, 6, 9 months to get it listed, and hopefully get the algorithms to go up and list it on the first page of YouTube and Google. I can do it within a couple of minutes. Now, the next example is organically post again. Now, this ranked number 7. And it was just in 3 minutes, you can see that. Now, because I'm becoming more and more of an authority on it, you can see that I've got ranking number 3 plus ranking number 5 plus ranking number 8. So for the top listings, I have first page exposure on 50% of how to promote, how to advertise, how to promote. So I have a certain theme, and it could be, it's like an electrical, how to prepare your house when you're going on holidays, or how to prepare your home for the winter, or how to prepare your home for Christmas. You put some key AdWords in there, and you'll definitely have the power for your business and your niche. The 7th, lost for words there. The 7th is first page, 3rd ranking, and that ranked number 4, also number 5, also number 6. So out of the top 6 rankings, I have over 65% of the positioning. Now, as a business owner, if you could do this for free and it costs you nothing, it would be an extraordinary, powerful tool to make sure you're a major force in your business and industry. Now, having a business in Vancouver in real estate, there was a couple things that I did notice that were, I guess, variables, because there's so many things that are static, like your rent is static, your electrical, your water, your printing leases, your computers, everything there is a static cost. But the two things that are very that you can control and have variables on, one is salary of your employees. You can have control, not saying that, you know, having less employees is better, but you have control on the cost of your salaries. And the other is ad costs. And that's where you have complete control. Now, everyone's saying that you have to have a lot of ads going out and spend a lot of money to get your face out there. Well, the way that the world is now positioning and changing, and Google said it once again years ago that they'd be number 1 force, if you're using videos and spend 5 or 10 minutes a day over one video doesn't work. I'm going to come straight up and say that. However, if you can make 1 video a day for 10 days and release them every day on YouTube, Google will look at it as an algorithm and actually say, hey, Greg, you've got a little bit of say in this market. So you could actually see how you could reduce your advertising costs by 90%. Go to the number 1 search engine being Google and be on the first page, ranked number 1 through 4. Be on the second, or be on the first page of the number 2 Google search, and that is YouTube. And also be a major force in your critique industry. Can you see how that would make an effect on your business? Once again, I'm going to put the link for the video that I would suggest. Take a look at it. You be the judge. You see if it makes sense or not. And we will see you in the next video. If you've liked this video and found it informative, please hit the like button, subscribe button, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.